Hello everyone. I'm going to take the time to go over the assignment with you for this week. You will need a sheet of paper, blank sheet of paper, looks like this, and you will need 2 markers or colors, crayons, whatever you need. And first you're going to take the first marker and you're going to draw a line straight down the middle and then turn it over, turn it sideways, and go down the middle on the other side. So it's going to look like 4 squares like this. Then you're going to take your other marker and we're going to write the titles of the different topics. Okay, the different topics that we've gone over this 6 weeks have been hygiene, dental health, physical fitness, and checkups is today. So you are going to write them like so. I wrote exercise, but you are welcome to write physical fitness. And then I also wrote doctor, but you can write checkups, doctor, whatever you prefer. Now this is going to be something that you're going to keep at your house, something that you can put in your room so you can remember all the things that you need to do to stay healthy. Now, you get to pick right now exactly what you want to draw. If you want to draw teeth, if you want to draw anything you want that reminds you of those things, that is what we're going to do right now. Alright, so just to give you like a better example of what I'm going for, I have put the symbols and topics onto the screen on PowerPoint. The 4 squares with the words, and here's some examples. So if you want, I would pause the video so you can keep this on the screen, and you are going to go ahead and go through each one. On hygiene, I specifically put down hands. You might want to draw some hands just to remind you of hand washing. I put a toothbrush to remind you to brush your teeth. I put a laundry basket for your clothes, just a symbol, something to show that you want to keep your clothes clean. And then I showed a clean room and a bathtub. These are all things to remind you of the different things that we learned on keeping your body clean in your house. The next squares was dental health. You might want to draw some teeth, a dentist. I put broccoli because you need lots of calcium and different things to help your teeth grow strong. And then I also put a boy with a toothbrush because you're supposed to brush your teeth twice a day. And then I put floss and some mouthwash. I also wrote 32 adult teeth. Maybe a little fact that you might forget if you don't write it down. And then on the bottom left corner where it says exercise, I put a lady working out with weights just to represent exercising 60 minutes a day. I put a bicycle because there's different ways to stay healthy. Maybe you want to draw your favorite way to stay healthy. And then I also put a picture of a heart because it keeps you heart healthy to exercise every day. So those are just some things that I thought about. If there's anything else that you think of, feel free to color in on your own sheet. And then the last one is doctor, for doctor checkups. You should have already watched the brain pop over going to the doctor, so there's a few things that I thought of. I put a scale, a weight scale, because it's going to show your growth. When you go to the doctor, you do your height and your weight. You also get your eyes checked, your ears. There's lots of other things that they talked about, your spine, your back. You might even want to put shots here. These are things that are going to help you stay healthy. And of course, I put a doctor. So however you feel free to color, make it as fancy as you want, but this is going to serve as a daily reminder of things that you should be doing. Maybe set some goals, and once you have done that, you have completed this week's assignment. If you have any questions, let me know.